Surf, sun, and serious brunch goals. Welcome back, explorers. It's Nat, and today we're doing Siargao right. Before we hit the waves, we needed to fuel. I found this hidden gem called the Brunch Spot. I've never tried before, but the rumors were true. Great food, and arguably, more important, amazing air conditioning. I ordered the full English, which was a total 10 out of 10. Chris joined me a few moments later, and we fueled up fast because the energy outside was building. We headed straight to Cloud 9 for the main event, the Siargao International Surfing Cup.
Alright, surfers, green and first, the 483 and the 483. Congratulations!
This wasn't just any competition, it was the penultimate stop of the Bonsoy Asia Super Series. Seeing the pros tackle those famous Cloud 9 barrels up close, absolutely unreal. Just look at these conditions. The Bonsoy Asia Super Series brought out some serious talent this year. The swells were massive, and the energy of the boardwalk was just contagious. Watching the pros navigate these barrels makes it look easy, but trust me, the reef is unforgiving. It's actually crazy watching these athletes from the tower. On camera, it looks smooth, almost graceful. But when you're standing right there, you can hear the crash, you can feel the spray, you realize just how fast they have to react. But honestly, the competition is only half the experience. The vibe on the boardwalk is what makes surfing in the Philippines so special. It's hot, it's sticky, and it's packed, but nobody cares because the energy is just electric. You've got locals, tourists, and surf fans from all over the world squeezed onto the wooden walkway, all cheering for the same thing. The setup this year was massive. With Bonsoy headlining, the whole area was decked out with banners and flags. Between the heats, it's just a big community hangout. We spent half the time watching the waves and the other half just soaking in the atmosphere. There's really nothing like the surf culture here in Siargao. It's competitive, sure, but also just pure good vibes.
Surfer in blue, your last wave is a 1.93, a 1.93. Surfer in blue, your last wave is a 1.93, a 1.93. And you have a backup score of a 0.73.
Cross?
Yep. I don't know where we're going.
There, this Hawaiian. We are going to Hawaiian for some nice bread. We are in a French bakery. Apparently they have one of the best breads here. Guys, it's only 7:30 a.m. and this cafe is absolutely packed. So I'm excited for my bread because apparently bread is really good here. But yeah, I got the French breakfast, which was around 350 pesos, and it comes with juice and a coffee. So that's pretty good, I would say. Because Siargao is actually quite expensive when it comes to a lot of the brunch places. So just quickly, I want to recap what happened yesterday. So yesterday was the first day of the WSL. It's the surfing league, surfing competition, which is the 6,000 surfing league 6,000, which apparently is a lot of points. So there's a lot of surfers here. It's a huge event here in Siargao. It happens once a year, and our main brand is sponsoring the surf competition, but we had some logistical difficulties getting the stocks here, and ever since I was in Manila, I was trying to figure out like why my stocks has not arrived despite it being more than 10 days. I went searching for it yesterday, went around, was texting with my staff in Manila, checking out the cafe here if the stocks have arrived, checking the booth if the stocks have arrived, and it hasn't. So I went on like an egg hunt, and yeah, strangely enough, I found my stocks by the side of the road, like just by the entrance to the transport area, where that's the thing when you're, doing things in the province where you have to ensure that you have everything maybe 2 or 3 days before, because it was just too hectic. And I'm super happy that we were able to still, disperse the stocks and, you know, have people see it and try it for themselves. So yeah, that was my dilemma yesterday. This is the rainy season now in the Philippines. It's supposed to be rainy, super windy, but yesterday was so hot. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the venue today, see what's up. Super nice competition happening. The waves are not exactly the biggest, so it's extra challenging for the surfers. Such a good vibe. If you guys plan to come visit Siargao, check it out during the surf season and during the surf competition season, because it's just a whole different vibe. Yeah, ice latte.
Americano. Cappuccino.
Iced coffee. Iced coffee?
With milk?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
iced
that's
latte.
fine. Okay.
Because the hot cappuccino is coming.
Okay.
Yeah.
1 orange juice,
Naman.
1 pineapple juice, and also 1 milk.
No?
Yeah. Alright, let's go head to Shaka. So while we're here, we're gonna be doing some cafe drop-offs. Nothing like old school sales now. Door to door, guys. It's the best way. Good morning. Morning. All right, let's go and check on the surfers. See what's been happening.
Blue. 20 seconds. From time to time, you guys have to paddle left, paddle wide. There is a strong current heading to our contest area. Thank you.
All right. Yeah, unfortunately, when I was taking videos of the surf, there wasn't a lot of great waves, so I wasn't able to capture a lot of the nice surf exhibitions. But yeah, we're back at doing cafe drop-offs. So now we're gonna check out Asgard. Drop off some milks here. Alright guys, finally some beach time. Yeah, really nice. It's crazy how it's like really wavy and it's a perfect wave season. But if you look how the reef breaks, it's so peaceful. The ocean's actually really peaceful. Guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna enjoy the water, and yeah, thanks for watching. If you reached this far, it's a super random vlog. Just wanted to like kind of I guess journal my day or my trip here in Siargao as much as I can. Yeah, hope to see you in my next adventure. I'm really looking forward to hiking again soon and more beach trips. especially now the rainy season's kind of almost over. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next adventure. Bye for now.